Hey, my name's Mackenzie. We're going to be doing a little video from with some of the lovely produce from the farmers market, Hampshire farmers market, and we're going to be using this wonderful lamb from the Noah's Ark guys down there in New Milton. They produce this wonderful lamb, and we're going to cook it a little bit differently. We're going to cook it over the open fire. We're going to cook it with some glazed carrots, some lyonnaise potatoes, using lots of herbs and some lovely mint. We're going to make a lovely mint sauce to go with it as well. It's a simple dish, but it needs a little bit of time. But we're going to be using this lovely fire to be cooking this lamb. Enjoy. Support the Hampshire Farmers Market, Noah's Ark down there in New Milton. They produce some amazing lamb. Go and support them. Go and try this beautiful lamb. Cook it over the open fire. Get the lovely smokiness and all these lovely vegetables and potatoes with it. Enjoy. It's beautiful.